Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Nuwave OxyPure ZERO Smart Air Purifier, designed to tackle indoor air pollution with its dual 4-stage filtration system that effectively purifies spaces up to 2,002 square feet. This powerhouse captures 100% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including smoke, dust, pollen, and even airborne viruses, thanks to its stainless steel pre-filter and advanced BioGuard filters, which are both washable and reusable, ensuring zero waste. Certified by Intertek Labs and the California Air Resource Board, the OxyPure ZERO not only meets stringent ozone emission limits but also operates at an energy cost of less than $10 annually, making it both eco-friendly and economical. With smart device and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can monitor and control your air quality remotely through a convenient app, compatible with both Android and iPhones. Plus, its nighttime sleep mode ensures a whisper-quiet operation at just 21.41 decibels, promoting ideal sleeping conditions. Included in the package are 2 stainless steel pre-filters, 2 ozone emission removal filters, 2 BioGuard filters, and 1 BioGuard 360 filter, all designed to keep your air fresh and clean. Experience the revolutionary filter technology of the Nuwave OxyPure ZERO and breathe easier knowing your home is protected from harmful pollutants and allergens.